Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to export WooCommerce order detail for specific customer or multiple customer using plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to install plugin. On left side you see plugin, so click on add plugin and then in search plugin write order export and order import for WooCommerce, and we are going to export WooCommerce order detail for customer in CSV format. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see web coffee and then you see export, so click on it and then we are in export. Select a post type, now select order and then click on step 2 and then you see select an export method, quick, advanced. So we select advanced and then click on step 3 and then you see export order, filter data, total number of order to export. If you want you can add some number and if you want you can export all. Now you see unlimited and then you see skip first and number of order, skip specify number of order from beginning of the database. If you want to enter 10, it's mean you want to skip first 10 order, and then you can add order ID separated by comma, so you can add multiple IDs. And then you see order status, you see all, and then you see product. If you want you can write or add some product, and then you see customer. So we are going to export WooCommerce order detail by using customer name for specific customer or multiple customer. So you can add name, click on it, please enter one or more characters. So you can add more than one customer name, so it's up to you. And then you see coupon, if you want you can add time, date from date to, and then click on step 4. Now you see export order map and reorder export column. You see all column name. If you want you can enable or disable according to requirement. So you can export specific or all field. Now you see all we have, and then you see step 5, so click on it. Now you see advanced option, batch export. If you want you can enable this option, exclude already exported, and then you can add export file name, batch, export in batches of 30 and then click on export, and then you see exporting 30 out of 154. Now you see export file processing completed, so click on download file. So this is our CSV format and then click on save. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.